Grasping grammar. Mastering indefinite pronouns and their antecedents. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating corner of English grammar: indefinite pronouns and their antecedents. We will specifically focus on how indefinite pronouns can be used as antecedents. So buckle up, and let's boost your English language mastery. Before we dive into our main topic, let's briefly revisit what pronouns are. Pronouns are words that replace or represent nouns. They're like linguistic shortcuts that save us from repeating a noun repeatedly. For instance, instead of saying, "John is running because John is late for John's bus," we say, "He is running because he is late for his bus." Now, let's move on to our main actors today, the indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns refer to non-specific people or things. Some common examples include words like everyone, someone, anyone, nobody, everything, nothing, and all. They're called indefinite because they don't refer to a specific person, place, or thing. An antecedent is the noun or noun phrase that a pronoun refers to. It usually appears before the pronoun in a sentence or a paragraph. For example, in the sentence, "Lucy lost her pen," Lucy is the antecedent of the pronoun her. Interestingly, indefinite pronouns can also act as antecedents. When this happens, it's crucial to remember that most indefinite pronouns are considered singular. For example, in the sentence, "Everyone has their dreams," everyone is an indefinite pronoun acting as the antecedent for their. Although everyone suggests a group, it's treated as singular and should be paired with a singular verb. However, English language has evolved to allow plural pronouns like their to be used for singular antecedents in informal and even some formal contexts, especially when gender neutrality is important. Let's take a look at a few more examples. Nobody thinks they are ignorant. Here, nobody is the indefinite pronoun used as an antecedent for they. Somebody left their umbrella. In this sentence, somebody is the antecedent for their. It's essential to recognize this usage to ensure your writing and speaking are grammatically correct and inclusive. That wraps up our lesson on indefinite pronouns as antecedents. I hope this video has helped to clear up any confusion about this part of English grammar. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep using these in your everyday communication. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful English language lessons. Happy learning, everyone!